Alright, so check this out, guys. Real quick video for you. Something's going on in my neighborhood this evening, throwing off horrific interference. I just want to highlight the effectiveness of the Thetis noise blanker. I can hear this all the way down on 40, all the way up through 11 meters. So let's turn this up. Come, hear that? The noise blanker on, here we go. Noise blanker back off. Noise blanker on. Holy smokes, that is amazing. One more time, noise blanker off. And back on. Wow. Okay, let's go up to 11. Gonna turn this noise blanker off. Noise blanker on.
Man, them boys should be stepping all over us.
Back off. And back on. How amazing is that? It does this on both of my stations up here, so there's something going on in the neighborhood. But Thetis noise blanker to the rescue. All right, I'm out of here. KP68, free and clear.